What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we explore the latest in tech so you can decide what's worth your money. Today we're putting the 2025 Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses under the microscope, seeing how they perform, what features they bring, and whether they live up to the promise. From first glance, the idea of wearing something that acts like open-ear headphones, camera, assistant, translator, and more, but still looks reasonably normal, is super appealing. But hype is easy, execution is harder. So let's see what these Xiaomi Smart Glasses actually deliver. These glasses weigh in around 40 grams, light enough that you'll forget you're wearing them after a while, though not as light as a regular pair of sunglasses. They come equipped with a 12MP camera, using Sony's IMX681 sensor, with a 105-degree field of view, capable of shooting photos and recording video in 2K at 30 frames per second. Video recording has a limit of about 45 minutes continuous before things heat up. There's also EIS, electronic image stabilization, to smooth out shakes. Sensors, mics, and audio are built in. Battery capacity is 263 mAh, charged over USB Type-C, and Xiaomi claims around 8.6 hours of typical mixed use, 7 hours of music listening, 50 short photos, or a few one-minute video clips. Standby time can stretch to over 20 hours. They offer multiple variants, a standard version, and some with electrochromic lenses, monochrome and color, that can change shade in about 0.2 seconds. There are 3 frame color options: classic black, parrot green, and translucent tortoiseshell brown. Design and build feel premium. The frames are sturdy but not bulky. Xiaomi used a mix of materials to keep weight down without sacrificing durability. Hinges are solid, the temples curve comfortably behind ears, and nose pads are adjustable to help with fit. You can also swap frames, interchangeable hinge design, which helps for style or comfort preferences. Overall ergonomic comfort is good. Wearing them for an hour or two doesn't feel heavy, though longer sessions can make you notice some pressure over the nose bridge or temples depending on your head shape. There is no display built into the lenses. These are not AR or mixed reality glasses in the sense of projecting visuals in front of your eyes. They interact via voice commands, touch on the frame, camera capture, etc. For many, that's fine. If you want full AR visuals, you'll look elsewhere. But Xiaomi seems focused on utility, camera, audio, assistant, translation. If you expected full heads-up display, this is not quite it. In terms of performance, day-to-day tasks are handled smoothly. The Qualcomm AR1 chip plus coprocessor seem adequate for voice recognition, translation, QR code scanning, and processing photos/videos. When you ask it to do heavier video recording or live streaming, heat and battery drop become noticeable. For basic commands, photo capture, or activating Xiao AI, responsiveness is good. The microphones are well tuned, ambient noise suppression works decently, though in very loud environments it struggles a bit. Software and features are where Xiaomi tries to stand out. Xiao AI is baked in, allowing voice commands for taking pictures, recording video, translating text in real time, scanning QR codes, even object recognition and payments. The electrochromic lens option adds adaptability to lighting, shades down in bright sun, clearer indoors, helpful and stylish. The glasses also support live video calls and live streaming. Speakers are open-ear style, frame-mounted stereo, so others may hear a bit depending on volume. Mic setup includes multiple microphones, 5, plus noise suppression and some algorithms to try to reduce echoes. Battery life and charging are among the strong points. 8.6 hours of mixed use is solid. If you're just listening to music or using voice assistant lightly, it holds up well. Recording long video clips or live streaming cuts that down. Charging from zero takes roughly 45 minutes via USB-C, which is reasonable, though not super fast. Standby times are good. So in daily terms, you're likely to get a full day of light to moderate usage, maybe half a day of heavy use. In daily wear, these glasses are convincing. Wearing them around the house, out walking, making calls, taking casual photos, most of what normal users will do, they do well. The open-ear audio means you're more aware of your environment compared to earbuds or headphones, which is a plus for safety and calm. Fort. Noise leaks out some, so in quiet environments you'll hear ambient sounds. Also, because there's no display, you have to pull out your phone to view or share media frequently. That adds friction. Speakers and audio quality are generally good for what this form factor allows. They're not going to rival dedicated headphones or earbuds, especially in bass depth or stereo separation. But for voice, podcasts, casual music, or calls, they are more than acceptable. The open-ear setup gives you spatial awareness. The mics pick up your voice well. Background suppression is usable, though it won't eliminate all ambient noise. Connectivity includes Bluetooth for pairing with phones, Wi-Fi for certain features, where supported, and support for voice assistant via Xiaomi. Storage is internal, though modest, enough to store some photos/video until you offload them. There's touch controls on the frames plus voice triggers. Some third-party app compatibility is present for streaming, calls, but Xiaomi hasn't opened everything up yet. Price and value vary depending on model. The standard model is priced around 1,999 Chinese yuan, USD $280. The monochrome electrochromic version around 2,699 Chinese yuan, $375, and the color electrochromic one about 2,999 Chinese yuan, $420. Given what you get, camera, useful AI features, decent battery, stylish frames, the value seems strong, especially compared to higher-end AR glasses. If you want display inside lenses or full AR, you'll pay much more elsewhere. Strengths include long battery life, for what it is, lightweight comfortable design, useful AI features, translation, QR, live stream, voice, decent camera performance, and variety, electrochromic lenses, style. Weaknesses are, no display or HUD, video quality limited to 2K per 30 frames per second, continuous video recording limited and heat buildup in heavy tasks, audio fidelity not premium if you care about deep bass, and some component compromises in rough or loud environments. Also, international availability is still unclear, warranty and support outside China may be limited. In the final verdict, if you're someone who wants smart glasses that feel more like an accessory than a gadget, that help in everyday tasks, taking photos, translating, making calls, listening to music, without overcomplicating things, these Xiaomi AI smart glasses are a solid choice. They don't break new ground with display or AR, but in terms of balance of design, battery, and features, they punch above many in this category. If those are acceptable trade-offs, you'll likely be happy. If your priorities are full AR or ultra-high fidelity video/audio, you'll need to look elsewhere and pay much more. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more gear that could change your everyday tech. Drop a comment. What would you want Xiaomi to include in future smart glasses if you were designing them?